How's it going, everyone? Here we are today. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing very well. Today, the only thing I could come up with today was to just make a video laughing. So, this is what it is, and if you want to laugh, feel free. If you just can't help yourself, that's how it is. Oh. Well, I hope you had fun doing this, and have a wonderful day, alright? May God bless you.